We're here in this beautiful home to talk a little bit about what we've been building for customers in ADT Blu and the new evolution of DIY and what it means to ADT. I'm going to be joined by Omar Khan, our Chief Business Officer.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So Omar, tell me a little bit about DIY, what it means to you.
I mean, I'm a tinkerer, so I like my own do-it-yourself projects. So I don't think there's a better feeling than when you buy something historically that was complicated and you can set it up yourself in a very, very easy way, and then it starts working. You know, it's a sense of satisfaction that, like, I did this myself.
You and I and a bunch of other folks here at ADT have been spending a bunch of time at, hey, how do we think about, from bottoms up, how we redesign a DIY solution that really fits customers' needs?
Mm-hmm. The digital experience is built from the ground up for a DIY customer. You know, our millions of customers have educated us in our do-it-for-me space in terms of what's important to them. But they've always had the help of a professional to help them through that, you know, that unboxing or that setup process. And all those learnings went into the process of us creating this, but it was built with the end customer in mind because they're going to be going on this journey by themselves. We can't just assume they're going to know what to do with it. So I'm an ADT DIY customer. I've gone through the purchase experience. I get this beautiful ADT Blu box at home. What's the first thing I see?
3 easy steps. Step 1, scan the QR code. Everybody has smartphones these days, and it's a very simplified onboarding experience. First, you activate your account. You choose your subscription. How do you want to be monitored? Then you move on into downloading the app and beginning the guided install experience that takes a customer methodically, step by step by step, through the install, and can get done super simple and super quick. We think about cameras, the cameras that we have behind us, you know, those cameras can be installed in 60, 90 seconds in terms of out of the box, activated, get set up on your Wi-Fi, you get them installed, and you're on the go.
Many customers want to step into a video-only solution. We've never had that. We've never had given the customer the ability to interact with our products, our services, in a video-only way. So if I only want a doorbell, which is oftentimes a renter or an early on younger consumer's first interaction with this type of service, with ADT Blu, we have the ability for you to be able to install a doorbell yourself and interact with ADT's self-monitored solution. So now it's not just about professional monitoring. We have a world-class self-monitoring capability for consumers who value that and who aren't ready yet to step up into a full security and fully monitored package. But when they see that octagon, they know what's behind from a service perspective. ADT's world-class professional monitoring is right there with one click for you to upgrade to. And all of the other, you know, kind of suite of services as you want to step up into a professionally monitored solution are available for you also in that do-it-yourself manner.
We are the same ADT. We are promising you that we are going to be here from a security perspective and provide the right services and the services you know and expect.
This is our first set of comprehensive products for the DIY space. We're not stopping there. There's going to be more hardware available over time, higher spec, potentially lower cost hardware, a wider breadth of solutions in the hardware space that address different parts of the consumer's life inside and outside their home. And then there's software. The software experience is going to evolve very, very quickly. I'd say probably one of the most exciting things about having a do-it-yourself consumer product is we get to launch features inside the app for a consumer as soon as they're available. With AI, we're going to see a lot more innovation coming from layering AI on top of video, layering AI on top of the signals that we're bringing in through our various devices that the customers are going to be installing in their home.
And so as customers want to add new features and new capabilities and new things, they can engage and grow with us over time, because we believe, you know, as an ADT customer, once you're a customer for life.
I think this is going to be huge. And I think the ADT brand is going to play really well for that customer, because the 151 years of trust that we've built in the security space will now translate into a customer being able to do it themselves.